What's up guys? So, we have been talking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 series for a while now. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be phenomenal. Now, let's start the video. So, last year, the cheapest Galaxy S20 started at $1,000. And went all the way up to $1,400 for the Ultra variants. And naturally, because of that the S20 series didn't sell as well compared to the last general Galaxy S variants. It seems Samsung doesn't want to repeat the same mistake twice, and they are taking multiple, different approaches to make sure the Galaxy S21 variants aren't priced exorbitantly as the Galaxy S20 series. According to South Korean media, Samsung has successfully negotiated some pretty steep price cuts on a number of key components for the Galaxy S21. Those key components include radio frequency component and the type of display module that will be carried on a cell phone. The unit price of these components has apparently been reduced by around 9%, which is quite a lot. Usually, a smartphone vendor will only cut the price of a component by 3 to 5% of the price offered by the supplier. So, this will surely means the production cost, or the bill of material, of the Galaxy S21 series is going to be lower than if there were no price cuts, which could be passed on to Galaxy S21 buyers in form of a price reduction. Also, according to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus will offer a flat display, and the S21 Ultra is the only variant in the S21 family to offer a curved display. Personally, I like curved displays, and in my opinion, the Galaxy S20 has minimal display curves, and it's the best of both worlds as far as the curvature of the display is concerned. But I can see why Samsung is going with the flat panels, as flat displays are much cheaper than flexible rigid OLEDs, and this could mean they can lower the production cost of the S21 and S21 Plus significantly, as the display is one of the two costliest component that goes inside a smartphone. Also, there are unconfirmed rumors that Samsung might use a plastic display on the base S21 to further reduce the cost. So, combined, all of these will mean the Galaxy S21 will be cheaper to manufacture, and as a result, Samsung is likely to price it cheaper than the Galaxy S20 family. If you want a no compromise, true flagship next year, then the Galaxy S21 Ultra is the one to go for. Samsung is clearly cutting corners with the other two S21 variants, which isn't particularly a bad thing, as they are doing it to keep the prices low. Samsung will unveil the S21 earlier than usual in the first half of January. Anyway, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day, and my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up.